guys, okay, on my channel today, I'm doing something I've never done before, which is a disaster clean with me. If you have been subscribed for a while, or just, you know what, since yesterday, you probably know my house basically just never gets like this. And honestly, that's just because I don't have like kids running around, so it's just easier for me to maintain the space. My daughter's 19 now, you know, so she's off at college most of the time, so it just never really gets this dirty, but it just blew up and I don't even remember how it happened. This is just the holiday aftermath, and I was filming in certain spots and then just kind of throwing all my laundry, and I had my wrapping station in my bedroom. It was just, this is out of control for me. This is a disaster for me. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and film this. I love these kinds of video, actually. I love watching them. They're very satisfying, so even if like your space doesn't look like mine, I still find these like really soothing, and I thought maybe that you guys would too. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm basically just gonna get, you know, my together and get this space cleaned up, and let me tell you, it feels so good. And if you just need the inspiration or that extra push to maybe clean a space, whether it's your room or it's a closet or it's another room in your house that just doesn't get as much attention as you would like it to, then hopefully this video is going to inspire you to just do some cleaning, because I can tell you there's nothing like the feeling afterwards of a clean space. It's just, you feel great, you feel accomplished. I feel like there's weight off of my shoulders, but I think that could also just be part of personality types. I don't know. And what am I even talking about here, right? But anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean this space. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy a little part of it, and then I'll jump back on and talk some more in a minute. If I had to recommend any space in your home that I would just maintain and keep clean, it's gotta be the bedroom. I think that there's something about having a peaceful night in a nice clean room that really, I don't know, I think it goes a very long way, and maybe it just doesn't bother some people, but I think that having your bedroom clean when you go to sleep, I don't know, I think it does a lot of good, and there's probably even studies and statistics on it, and I wouldn't know what those are, but I do know that whenever I make my bed, I feel more productive that day. So, and I think that's said for a lot of people, and I honestly can't believe my room got this out of control. But you know what, like I'm showing you here, that I Love Lucy, I had a lot of presents that I had received for Christmas just kind of lying around. I hadn't found a spot for them yet or put them in their designated spot, so it was like my room became this holding tank of just everything: the wrapping station, the gifts, you know, the laundry, my heating pad because my back is broken. That's an exaggeration, but sometimes it feels like it. And yeah, so that's just what I'm doing. Pretty much everything in my room was clean. I only had a few articles of like clothes that needed to go to the laundry, but it was just, yeah, everything was just piled up and just needed to be put in their home. Some things need to be recycled, like those gift bags, they were empty, so I took those out to the recycling bin, and then just organizing and putting everything into its place. And if for whatever reason you've just stumbled upon my channel because maybe YouTube recommended this video, because maybe you're watching other Clean With Me videos, and if you're interested, I do have a video of how I decorated my bedroom for Christmas, although I'm just a couple days away from putting it all away and bringing back my other everyday decor, and I will be filming that too. So if you're interested in anything like that, then click subscribe, stick around. So yeah, so that's making my bed. You guys know, if you're subscribed to my vlog channel, like, this is what you watch on my vlog channel. Just shout out to all my friends who watch me make my bed and vacuum. You're gonna get to see that in today's video, the vacuuming. But I'm coming towards the end, and by this point I was feeling really good. I'll tell you, there was a minute there where I was like, I'm gonna let this go another day. And I was just like, ooh, this is getting into scary territory. So I knew that I had to push past the fact that I didn't want to clean my room and put on a movie. That's what I did, by the way. I put on like Indiana Jones, I put on soothing stuff, you can put on music, just anything that you need to get the task done will actually really help you and almost distract you from, you know, those feelings of, ugh, I really don't want to be doing this. And if, like I said, it felt incredibly great, and yeah, so that's that. And now I'm tackling the dresser. I have a lot of planner stuff up there that I need to move to my craft room, so that's what I did with all that stuff. And I always have to end any sort of cleaning with some type of spray. This is a linen spray. I really love it. It's called Peaceful. I think I got it from Tuesday Morning, and I've really enjoyed it. I love the smell of it. And now we're gonna get into some before and afters. It's kind of crazy when you see the before right next to the after and see the results of that, and it's just so much better. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Stick around. There's going to be so many new different type of content on my channel for 2020. We are still going to stick to our Dollar Tree hauls Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, but other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.